just in case the horses decide to take off and kill us.
That's horrifying.
What's it doing split screen like that?
What?
See how it's doing split screen?
Okay. That's because it's broken.
Is it broken?
It's broken.
Probably. Oh no.
So when do they stop growing a horse?
Horses pretty much just keep growing. As far as I know, they don't can get super tall, but they'll get big and they'll shrink up, kind of like working out.
Huh.
Some of these horses they'll work majority of the year. I want to say Bart here, he's actually one of our riding horses during the summer.
Okay, so y'all do riding.
Yeah, so we do horseback rides during the summer, and then during the winter we do the sleigh rides.
There we go.
That's good.
Yeah.
Do you have to pull it over a certain distance?
Yeah, I believe the distance is it's really, they'll keep adding weight until the team can't pull it anymore.
Okay.
So
Almost like a tractor pull.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly like a tractor. Oh, and that's about a year and a half, 2 years old. Alright, this is the Isaac River. I just want to ask you guys to kind of try to keep your eyes out. We've had people spot eagles in the trees or otters here in the river. So we do have some wildlife out here.
That's some Bigfoot. Sasquatch.
Right up at the river.
Good boy.
Some black.
They use those in mining whenever, back in Alabama. They use donkeys. That's why they have donkeys all over Jasper. Because they use them to pull the mine cars out of the mines.
Oh.
Yeah.
Donkey.
Yankee.
Well, the donkeys were short enough to get in the mine.
Yeah. But they'll pull.
Yeah.
Walk, boys. I'd say try to keep your eye out over here. This is generally where we will see all the eagles. I don't see any today. You may get a little faster. The team kind of has to speed up a little bit to get up this hill. Good boy. Walk. Good boy. Oh, you boys are perfect.
So is this like a park?
No, all this around here is the grounds for the fish hatchery.
Okay. No.
Icicle Brewery, Icicle River, Icicle Outfitters.
Yeah.
Icicles.
A lot of bicycles.
Yeah.
Hundreds to thousands of years.
Yes.
Alright, as we're getting towards the end of our trip here, I want to thank you guys for coming out and riding with us today. Hi, Isabel! In our tent that's right here is our cocoa, coffee, and cider tent. Please help yourself to some hot chocolate, hot cider, and coffee. When we pull up here to the chain, please stay seated until we get the teams properly secured to the fence. That'd be much appreciated. And thank you again for coming down with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Good boy. If you guys want to get pictures with the horses up from the front, you're more than welcome.
Oh, that one is there, sorry. And yes, that one. That's the coffee cocoa.
Okay.
This one's the kids cocoa. It has water in it, and that's the cider. I have coffee cocoa, or what I call a cowboy Cowboys mocha, which is coffee with hot chocolate.
Sorry, can I grab this one?
Which I haven't made them yet.
Okay, that's fine.
I just want the cocoa.
You just want the cocoa?
It's hot in here.
It's hot in here. Get to warm up in here.
No, sadly, I'm sorry. I mean, you are more than welcome
Steven,
to slip some in there. I won't say a single word, I promise.
Is that yummy?
Dang.
Last year I had a fireball that I was helping adults with. But...
So that was like cinnamon cider.
Yeah!
Yeah. Nice.
Cocoa.
Just cocoa?
Are you getting cocoa?
Yeah, cocoa.
He wants a cocoa too.
Wait, hang on.
Same there.
I want cocoa too.
Who's your guys' bride? I see you're not dead, so that's a bonus, right?
Right. 1 out of 10 stars. It smelled hot. No. Alabama.
Ooh. And what brings you here? Just vacation?
He grew up in Washington, in Central Washington, so we come to visit our family for Christmas.
That is so
To get the cold weather.
You gotta have it sometime in your life, right?
Right. I wouldn't mind living here though, so when that time comes for us to live here.
I will say it is absolutely beautiful, and when that time comes, go to Plain and get a house in Plain.
Plains. That's where I've been looking at.
It's about 11 miles from here, a little bit more, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It puts you further out of town, but you'll be so much more happier in life.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's you actually looked in Plain?
Yeah.
Hey, do you guys want some hot cocoa, some cider, or some coffee with, or I think the Cowboys mocha with
Hey Joe, I bet you won't touch that stove.
I'm not gonna touch that.
Chicken.
I won't touch it.
You're supposed to be a real man now.
I'm touching fire metal don't.
Fire and metal does go well together. That's why they got fire inside of metal.
When Granny lived in the White House in Cordova, she had a stove.
Fire, wood burning stuff. Some people still use wood burning stoves, Mom. They're very good sources of heat.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, look at how big this tin is and how thin it is and how warm it is.
Yeah.
This thing puts off a lot of heat.
That.
No snacks. Hey, don't touch me.
Oh, sugar cookies.
Oh.
Are y'all ready to go to the mountains?
Oh yeah. Where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go to Stevens Pass and I'm gonna go shred the gnar, bro.
Steven and Stevens
And do
Pass.
some night skiing.
Yeah. What she said.
How about you?
What? I'm going.
Camera shy.
No, I'm just gonna do the same thing.
I'm not camera shy.
What?
Press my pause button.
I don't want to.
Right there on the top.
Where? This
There.
one? Is it
Yeah.
this one or is it this one? I don't know.
There's an old iron horseshoe that's hung upright above the door to hold and receive. Look, lore has it that the only blacksmith may hang a horseshoe one's down. Symbolically, iron is protective force to transport between
you want
worlds
this?
and seasonal tides.
Cool.
You're coming.
I was going to get one. I would get one.
The white one? Because it's painted? Because it's painted white and pretty?
We can put this above the door, Mike.
You wanna get one? Hang on.
Can't take her
Say it
anywhere.
again.
You can't take Mom anywhere without her buying something. The other day, we went into this gift shop and I was like, hey Mom, you want to look in here? And she's like, no, not really. And then as soon as we walk in, she found a purse that she got.
No,
Now
not
I got a horseshoe
really.
that's going to go above my door. And it goes with the wood.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the wood
Yeah.
isn't white.
You gonna get your cowgirl on. Yeehaw.
The wood isn't white. The wood isn't white. It doesn't match.
Okay. I got one more. Have a talk with this.
It was for D. It was for D. Oh, okay. She's got artificial leash. Just like Bruce has got one, she's got two. All right, you ready? Okay, folks, ask everybody to remain seated. No standing up or jumping out of the sleigh. Is everybody ready?